Encore, RBI's newest Firetube boiler. Encore brings next-level performance in a small, compact design. Encore heat exchangers are made from industrial-quality stainless steel and feature a unique anti-scaling baffling system for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. Its unique geometry is designed for maximum heat transfer, allowing Encore to scrub every last bit of energy for peak performance. With high thermal efficiency and low pressure drop, Encore units are perfect for variable volume systems, eliminating the need for additional pumps used in primary-secondary systems. All Encore boilers feature HeatNet 3.0 integrated control system, a boiler management system featuring a user-friendly intuitive touchscreen, allowing for easy setup and valuable trending data. HeatNet uses adaptive modulation to adjust firing rates to maximize turndown ratios to maintain peak efficiency. HeatNet saves time and money in both single boiler installations and master member configurations of up to 16 boilers. HeatNet Online is a remote monitoring program that runs 24 hours a day, providing users with visual boiler feedback from anywhere in the world through an easy-to-read dashboard. Encore boilers use TrueFlow, an advanced gas train design. TrueFlow constantly monitors and regulates the flow of both fuel and air for an optimal 1-to-1 fuel mixture across all firing rates. If flow is compromised, TrueFlow automatically adjusts, ensuring continuous, safe, and reliable operation. All Encore boilers are low NOx and fired through a Fenwal direct spark ignition system with flame safeguard and flame rectification. All Encore boilers have flanged water connections and include a factory-installed Sika Vortex flow sensor for real-time flow communication to the HeatNet 3.0 control platform. Flow sensors are fully adjustable through the boiler operating range. Category 2 and 4 approved, Encore units can be vented with both stainless steel and non-metallic vent options, including PVC, CPVC, and polypropylene. For more information, please visit our website at rbiwaterheaters.com.